In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coupon code for a Payhip product. First, make sure you're logged into your Payhip account and you're on your main dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see a menu. Go ahead and click on the option labeled Marketing. As soon as that page loads, it should automatically take you to the coupon section within Marketing. This is where you can manage all of your discount codes. To create a new one, click on the button that says Add Coupon Code. Next, you'll see some settings for your new coupon. Look for the option that says Apply Coupon Terms. Click the drop-down box there and choose Specific Product. Once you do that, a new field will appear that lets you select exactly which product this coupon will apply to. Click the product drop-down, then scroll through and choose the product you want to discount. This is important because it makes sure the coupon only works on that particular item. Payhip will automatically generate a random coupon code for you, but you don't have to keep it. You can click into that field and edit it to something more memorable or brand friendly, like Save 10 or anything that fits your promotion. Just make sure it's something easy for your customers to type and remember. Now you'll choose the type of discount. You have two main options here. The first is a percentage discount. If you choose this, you can type in how many percent off you want to offer, like 10%, 20%, or whatever makes sense for your promotion. The second option is a fixed amount discount. With this one, you enter a specific money amount that your buyers will save, such as a set number of dollars off the product price. Below that, you'll see the advanced options. These are optional, but they give you a lot of control over how your coupon works. Here, you can set the total number of times the coupon can be used, which is useful if you want to limit it to a certain number of redemptions. You can also set a start date and time, as well as an end date and time, so the coupon only works during a specific period. There's an option to require a minimum purchase amount, which is good if you want the discount to apply only on larger orders. You can add internal notes to remind yourself of the purpose of the coupon, like a particular campaign or launch. And if you need multiple codes at once, you can use the bulk create option. Once everything looks good and you're happy with your settings, click the button that says Create Coupon Now. Give it a moment to process. After it loads, your new coupon will appear in your list of coupons. You'll also see the product image displayed next to it, which helps you quickly identify which product this coupon is linked to. And that's all you need to do to create a coupon code for your Payhip product.